Hey guys, I'm here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we got the crane and we're putting a condenser, two of them, one on the roof right now. You can see behind me, there he goes, and it's gonna go right over there. So we're talking to the crane. There's the crane.
Like 6 foot, something like that.
The old one was 1990, almost 30 years old. It had Freon leaks, bad compressor, so they decided to replace both of them. One was 1990, the other one was 2000, so it was 20 years old. But again, no Freon, the motor was bad outside, the compressor was knocking really bad, so they decided to change both of them. So here is one of them. So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? Thanks guys, see you in the next video.